Bora Bora, the Pearl of the Pacific, is a symphony of luxury and natural splendor. Its crystal-clear waters, iconic overwater bungalows, and vibrant coral reefs make it a top luxury destination for discerning travelers. But the complexity of planning the perfect Bora Bora getaway can be overwhelming. That's where Far and Away Adventures steps in, transforming the daunting task into a hassle-free, unforgettable experience. Why entrust your dream vacation to Far and Away Adventures? With unparalleled expertise and personalized itineraries, their team turns your desires into reality. Imagine saving countless hours on meticulous planning and gaining exclusive access to experiences and accommodations that elevate your trip from memorable to extraordinary. Far and Away Adventures is not just about travel, it's about crafting bespoke luxury experiences. Dive into the Far and Away Adventures experience, where hand-picked accommodations meet your loftiest expectations. Whether it's an overwater bungalow or a private villa, they have the expertise to make your dream stay come true. Personalized activities, from snorkeling to private sunset cruises, are tailored to your preferences. Gourmet dining at the island's top restaurants? Consider it done. And with seamless logistics and 24/7 support, every detail is meticulously managed, so you can immerse yourself in the beauty of Bora Bora stress-free. How does Far and Away Adventures enhance your Bora Bora experience? By offering expert planning and exclusive access to luxury accommodations and activities. From overwater bungalows to private villas, your accommodation options are limitless. Enjoy snorkeling, sunset cruises, and spa days, all customized to your interests. And with Far and Away Adventures handling all logistics, including reservations at top restaurants, you can relax and savor every moment. Their 24/7 support ensures you have assistance whenever needed, making them your ideal choice for a seamless luxury getaway. Ready to embark on your luxury getaway to Bora Bora with Far and Away Adventures? Contact us now to begin planning your dream vacation in one of the world's most breathtaking destinations. Your paradise awaits. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.